My name is Margaret Kasumbo from Amani Kibira. Our organization is one of the KSDP, and I'm one of the coaches who participated in the KSDP training, which was about the women empowerment through football. And I had an exchange with a coach from Malaba, whereby I was able to meet three categories. The first category was the category of the parents, whereby I taught the parents about how they can interact with their children and how they can take the life skill, and I told the parents they should be able to be free with their children in whatever they are doing. Then the second category was the category of the young children, whereby I was able to teach them about the football and the life skill and how they can interact the life skill with the football when they are on the pitch. The third category was the category of the girls. I was able to teach the girls category about the adolescent stage and even saving, and I taught them how they can save their money for the future using, even if it's not through money, they can even sell something or they can start something as a group, then they can be able to get their basic needs. Then the girls were happy because after coming back to my home, they were able to call me and told me that they are now free with their parents. They can share what problem they are undergoing with their parents after teaching them about the adolescent stage and how to be free with their parents wherever they are doing.